Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So it's time to do a bunch more rounds of the Greenery baby blanket. And so we have today rounds 33 through 45, okay? So round 33 is this hunter green or bright Kelly green here. And it is the double crochet in 5. So we're double crocheting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next. And we do that 24 times. And if somebody feels like doing the math, that is the amount of stitches that we will have. And remember, everything needs to be a multiple of 12 for this pattern. So the green is join with a double crochet in any stitch, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And you'll do that all the way around. It'll happen 24 times, and then you'll join with a slip stitch in the top of the first double crochet. So the next round is 34, and it's this green round. So you guys are very familiar with these rounds, but I'll walk you through them. The gray is round 34. You join with a single crochet, and then you do a chain 5 loop. You're skipping 1 stitch and single crocheting in the next. So single crochet, chain 5, single crochet all the way around. Let's bring this even a little closer to you. Okay, so when you do that, you will join with a slip stitch in the top of the first single crochet after you have done a chain 5. Okay, round 35 is the blue round. So after the gray, we do the blue. So join with a treble crochet in one of the unused loops of the green round, and then add another treble crochet in it. So in every unused loop of green working behind the gray, you're placing 2 treble crochets all the way around. 2 treble crochets in every unused green stitch. Okay, and then when you get to the top or all the way around, you'll join with a slip stitch in the first treble crochet. Round 36 is peach. So peach, you're going to single crochet through the chain 5 loop, through the first treble crochet of the group of 2, the pair of 2, and then single crochet in the unused treble crochet just by itself without catching the loop. So you're essentially doing 1 treble crochet through the gray and through a blue, and then a peach just through a blue all the way around. Join with a slip stitch in the top of the single crochet. So the next round is 37. It's the fuchsia round here. So double crochet in each of 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So join with a double crochet and any single crochet, and then do a double crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4 more, so that you have a repeating sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. You'll repeat that all the way around, and you will have, I'll give you the count on the next round. It's 42 times. No, 42 times? I think so. Okay, definitely 42 times for round 38. So round 38 is this purple. It's the same as gray. So single crochet in a any double crochet on the pink round, the fuchsia round, chain 5, skip 1, single crochet in the next. You'll do that 42 times, and at the end, we will have 294. Woohoo, the numbers are getting big. Round 39 is the yellow. So working behind the purple trebles, purple loops, we're going to do trebles of yellow. So just like the blue, we're going to do 2 trebles in each of the unused stitches of double crochet and work behind the loops. So 2 trebles in each stitch of the unused pink ones, and then skip the stitches that were already used by the purple. It makes sense? Round 40 is green. So green, we're going to do the exact same thing we did with the peach, which is single crochet through a chain 5 loop and the first treble behind it, and then just in the next treble by itself. So we will do green single crochets all the way around. Round 41 is teal. So double crochet, join with a double crochet in any stitch, and then we will do a total of 6. So we do one, join with 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more for a total of 6 double crochets by themselves, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. That whole sequence of 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 in each stitch, and then 2 in the next stitch, that sequence is going to happen all the way around. Okay? Join with a slip stitch in the top, okay, of the first double crochet. So round 42 is pink. So pink is working, oh, I'm sorry, wait a minute. Whoop, I forgot the blue round. Oh, okay. So then the blue round, I didn't even write that one down. I'm going to have to write it down. The blue round is just like the purple and the gray. So single crochet, chain 5, skip 1 stitch, single crochet all the way around. Then, so that was round 42. I've got my numbers off. Then pink is going to be round 43, 2 trebles in each unused stitch, just like the yellow and the blue. Got it? Then after that, so we are now on round 44 is the gray. So we're doing the gray single crochet through the chain 5 loop and through one of the treble crochets behind it in the pink, and then just single crochet by itself. So that goes all the way around. And I think that one is now round 44. Round 45 then is raspberry. This one is double crochet even. So 1 stitch for 1 stitch, double crochet all the way around for round 44. So no increasing on this round. 1 stitch, 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in every single crochet for the raspberry round. Then the lavender round would be round 46. So lavender is going to be the same as all of the other loopy rows, same as the blue, same as the purple, same as the gray. Join with a single crochet in any of the double crochets of the raspberry round, chain 5, skip 1 stitch all the way around. Okay, there's a whirlwind, but that gets you through round 46 on the Greenery blanket, and we are getting so close. I hope you are hanging in there with the Greenery blanket marathon, and I will see you mornings for the 5-Minute Crochet Podcast. Don't forget to check in underneath the video because there's an affiliate link for Denise interchangeable crochet hooks and other Denise products, and there is a discount code through the 9th of May 2024, and I'll put that code below in the description box for 15% off your order if you so choose. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.